Hi everyone. Got a bit of a tech issue here. I was playing the computer last night. To the best of my knowledge, it was not overheating or anything. But for reasons unknown, it decided to freeze. And now when I try to turn the computer on, nothing really happens. The lights come on, the CD drive gets power, but nothing else really happens. Yeah, let me show you. See? Hit the power button. Fans and lights have turned on. But lights on the keyboard, it's a Razer Tarantula, so the triple snake emblem's supposed to glow. That obviously hasn't happened. And up here, the CD light, the CPU light, is not flashing. There's no activity detected in the processor, obviously. And the monitor is clearly turned on, but there is nothing being fed to it. Not even that motherboard screen at the very start. Honestly, I have no idea what the issue could be, so any help here would be greatly appreciated. Thank you.